New York and Long Branch, Scherzer Bridge. It's a railroad. I believe this bridge is about to be replaced with a draw, another draw. It was built in 1911. Carries New Jersey Transit Line North Jersey coastline over the Manasquan River. We're located in Point Pleasant, New Jersey. So I'm show you. Bridge is raised. Yeah, this bridge is raised for boat traffic and everything. So also this bridge is a double track bridge, and also it's designed by the Scherzer Bridge Company. So this bridge is a through plate girder. So this bridge crosses the Manasquan River, located in Point Pleasant, New Jersey.